Hey y'all, so I have the same setup that I did last week or the Saturday that just passed, and I find this just to be easier for me to show you guys like the product and all of that with this whole mini tripod thing. I just did a video on me not washing my hair for a good almost 45 days, so that video will be up before this one, so just be mindful of that. And let me tell y'all what I did. So I had a ponytail in about a week ago, and or for the week or whatever, and I needed to wash the gel out. So I grabbed some of my Dr. Bronner's soap. You guys know this is like, yeah, 18 in 1. Like, you can use this for 18 different things. Like, if you don't have some of this soap or have never tried it, Target has like a miniature travel size one for about $2, because this size is about $16, $18, 32 ounces, and it goes a long way. Like, I'm literally just about to be finished with it, so definitely try that out. So I needed that because, like I said, I haven't washed my hair in a long time. On top of that, I had gel. I was outside at a park for a couple of hours one day, and I used that Dr. Bronner soap, mixed that with my Matrix Oil Wonders shampoo, the micro oil shampoo that has Moroccan argan oil in it. And I thought I was grabbing the Carol Daughters Manoy Repairing Sulfate Free Conditioner, but I actually grabbed the shampoo. So when I went to go pump it, because I just feel like my hair is super dry, so I wanted to use like a conditioner and a treatment. I use like 2 shampoos on top of the soap, so my hair is extra clean. Like, and this is peppermint soap, so it's really just giving me like all types of good vibes, because it's just pepperminty and it just feels good. Anyway, this week's protein treatment is the Mega Long Extreme Reconstructor Ultimate Strengthening Conditioner by Dugro. And this was about $1. I want to say like $1.30, I think, something along those lines. So yeah, like always, after shampooing, they want you to apply this, leave it on for like 5 to 15 minutes with the plastic cap. The packaging was eye-catching. I don't know what it is about red that I had just been crazy about. Orange, been crazy about it, and green. So when I seen them, I like the packaging because of the color, right? It smells like some old medicine I used to take as a kid. Not Pediacare. Pediacare messed me up so bad. Like, for real. I gotta be careful of stuff that's cherry flavored, because Pediacare cherry, like, it literally messed your girl up. Like, I cannot digest anything that's really strong in like a man-made cherry flavor. Like, it just takes me back to Pediacare medicine, and it just irritates my soul. This smells like another medicine that I had as a kid. Like, ugh. It doesn't stink. It just reminds me of that medicine. Like, jeez. It's super green in color. No slip. Like, it's really thick. To give you some insight to the ingredients, water is the first ingredient. Something sterolaconium chloride. I don't know what that is. Mineral oil, olive oil, shea butter, urea. Every time I see urea, it just looks like urethra tube. I don't know. Linolene, avocado oil, and some dyes, fragrance, which they could have let out. Yeah, and some stuff I really can't pronounce. And alcohol. Citral alcohol. I don't know. I really don't know. Stronger, healthier hair. This ultimate hair strengthening reconstructor is enriched with olive oil, avocado oil, and silk protein to reduce breakage and dryness, helping. I ripped it, so now I can't read it.